Our Fabfitfun boxes. 2026 spring boxes. We each have 2 annuals, and this one was really skincare focused. There's a lot of fun things to try, so let's jump right in. Okay, so the first thing I got was the Skin & Company, the Divine Nectar Shower Oil. I actually haven't even opened it or smelled it yet, but I think the packaging looked really pretty on it.
Oh, that is. It
Yeah.
reminds me of like Diptyque or kind of like Sol de Janeiro.
Oh, I guess you can kind of...
Oh, that smells good.
Yeah,
And it's a shower oil.
it's a shower oil, so hopefully it will not dry me out.
Hopefully it's not making the tub slippery.
It says made in Italy.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool. So Fabfitfun, you get to choose 6 items, and you get, 6 different categories to choose from. I got the Ken.
It's truffle therapy, by the way. It
So
literally
there's
has a
truffle
truffle
oil?
on it. Yeah, I guess it's, interesting.
Did you get the Ken
I
glass straws? There were a set of 4 glass straws by the brand Ken or Keen, and
It's in my other box.
I was gonna say, oh, that's okay.
Well,
It's nice because they included the cleaner, and they're
they're
fall
different
colors.
Yeah,
they're
colors.
muted kind of. They're really pretty, and I was excited because I only have 1 glass straw left.
I tend to find that the glass straws break when I'm hand washing them if you're not careful. I picked out this. We like gardening, and so I thought these looked like really nice quality gardening gloves. It's by the Floral Society.
Those are pretty, and aren't they actual leather and cotton?
It certainly looks like it. But yeah, I liked how they're longer. I have some shorter gloves, and it just, no one likes to get nasty when they're touching worms, so.
I was gonna choose these too. These are really nice.
Yeah, they're really good quality.
And I like how they're higher up.
Exactly.
Because on your ankle,
No
or
dirts are
your
gonna
wrist.
worms and guts and
Right.
stuff.
One of my items was
Worms and guts and
Right.
stuff.
one of my items was the.
It is cotton and leather.
Right, it was actually really high quality ingredients. I got the Murad Environmental Shield Moisturizer and SPF 50 with vitamin C. I've used this before and I really liked it.
Was that one of our picks?
This was one of your choices. I paid extra for it because it was
right,
no, it was
choice?
an extra.
Oh,
it was
a
just
freebie.
No. It was a category choice, but I had already chose something in the category, so I paid an extra. I think $17 for it.
Oh, okay.
This is normally $60.
Okay, the next thing I got was this Start Fresh Everyday Productivity Planner. And it says plan, track, and achieve your goals in 16 weeks. It's made in China. It's by Papier.
Oh, Papier.
Papier.
That'd be French for paper.
Okay, so it's got, some good quality stuff in here. I just thought this might be something different. I don't normally buy this type of stuff, so looked interesting.
Good to
They
have
have weekly
something new.
reflections. Could be useful.
Yeah.
And it talks about incomplete tasks, next week what you want to do and reflect. So I should definitely try that out. It's already February.
Yeah, I feel like if you actually March 1st. I feel like if you actually use that every day, you'll become so productive.
Be a different person.
Right.
Okay, then my next choice, I think this was category 1, is the Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. It says quench and illuminate
It's got pineapple ceramide, provitamin B5, and it's a pH 5.7. I believe this is, 1.69 fluid ounces.
Oh, so that's a big size.
Yeah, it's, I think, full size. So that's
Oh yeah, these were all
it
full
looks
size.
like. I haven't tried this yet, but
I got my category 1 was the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. It's a 1.69 fluid ounces, 50 milliliters. And it's got that fun packaging that you're supposed to push up.
okay, I have the Protini. I really like that. So I wonder if that's going to be the same.
I think it's going to be very similar to like the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Oh yeah, so we each chose the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Vitamin CC stick.
I got apricot,
And this is guava.
and I actually got that guava color too.
I think guava is a perfect.
So why don't I just swatch on your hand? Maybe.
Okay,
This
so
is apricot. It's very orange.
Okay,
It's
and
their
this is guava.
Vitamin CC stick. Definitely is great for under the eyes, but you have to pick the right color.
I was gonna say I've used it a few times. I think it's really good. It doesn't really crease. It's not as pigmented as a full coverage concealer, but it is a color corrector. So
It worked.
wow, the apricot's really much darker. So
Yeah, no,
guava's-
I can use it with my really light colors. I found it lasted a really long time.
yeah, and it doesn't crease.
Exactly. The next thing I got is the I Heart Ole Henriksen Peptide Lip Treatment.
that one too.
I got this in creme brulee. Oh, you did? Okay.
I did too in my other box.
Smells really good, and it also stays on my lips pretty long.
It's like a nice.
Have you opened it?
No.
Here.
Oh yeah, it's like got a real nice buttery
Mm-hmm.
smell.
Yeah. No, it smells very good. I'm very surprised by
Let's see, my lips are really chapped right now, so.
if it lasts. Okay. So that was my first box. And then let's move on to, are you on your next box?
No, but I mean, so my next product was the Laura Mercier Air Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Rose.
Oh, you didn't get a big box?
No, I got really,
somehow I got
because of this really water.
big.
I have not even opened this yet. Oh, it's got like a sticky.
Ooh, something's. Oh, what is this?
The Laura,
Laura
Mercier powder in rose. This seems much. Oh yeah, this is much
Big box for a big girl.
This will be interesting to test against the one size powder. This definitely
Or the
looks really good.
Huda Beauty.
The Huda Beauty.
Yeah, it's a good. That Ole Henriksen's a really good lip balm. Okay, the next thing I picked out, I think this was a category 1. Just Year of Ours. I got a medium/large, 100% cotton,
like
oversized sweatshirt. But however, it truly is oversized. It's dumpy looking. I love the blue color. It is just dreadful in all.
It's got drop shoulders, so it makes you look like makes you look broader and wider.
And I'm really like a size large, sometimes medium. It depends how much spandex it is. But yeah, it just seems like I don't mind oversized. I mean, I'm wearing a super oversized sweater, but I think I will put this through the hot wash, put it through the dryer. I'll see if it sort of shrinks slightly, and that might
Hopefully,
help. Or
it's
it will
all
just
cotton.
be. And it's not pre-shrunk cotton, but I love the color. It is super, well, it's not even that soft on the inside, but it almost feels like a terry cloth towel. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not really. I don't think. I think it was supposed to be like a $78 value. Like, let's be honest.
Or more.
Nobody was gonna...
well, no, actually, this brand is, you know, it is actually popular, but I'm just surprised because online it looked oversized, but not where I saw it being oversized, if that makes sense.
Well, let's show off. We both chose the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day.
Oh, mine's at home. I've been
dry shampoo.
I used that today for my
It's really good. This is a 5.5 ounce. It smells like a typical dry shampoo.
You know what? It smells better.
It smells good.
It smells very good. I think it's better than Batiste. It's better than what's that one? Blow Dry? The one that's yellow.
Oh, yeah.
I forgot that brand. I feel like it's better than that. It's better than Amika's dry shampoo.
While she's opening up her glass straws.
I also got the glass straws. I can't wait. Now I can use them. I love it.
I got the Archipelago Marble Soap Dish.
Oh, I did too.
Oh, you did? Let's see the colored variants. Because some people on the forum...
I'm excited I can use this too now.
Right, I was going to say, like, you can use this for...
This is made in India. It says care instructions. Wipe clean with soft, damp cloth. Fragile, handle with care. Natural marble will vary in color and pattern, making every soap dish unique. Made in India.
So, what's nice, it has the little footies. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but there's this really nice sheen and almost little flecks of glitter or like mica. Let's see your color, because some people had like lighter colored stone. Oh yeah, look at your color versus mine.
So
wow,
that's
a huge difference.
Mine's
way lighter.
Very light.
I like yours better than mine.
Oh,
that's okay.
You can trade me for something. I'm just kidding.
But I just, look at the color difference. So I know every single one of them was different.
I was going to say, give me your guava, but I've got a guava too.
That's what the beauty of having two annuals.
I know, right?
And I still had to choose extra, you know what I mean? And pay extra for...
I think we both got the bowls. But so
yeah, we did, yeah.
One of the last things I picked out was the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day High Shine Gloss. It's an instant shine and smoothness, and it's an in-shower treatment. And
that looks pretty.
It says shampoo and condition hair, remove excess water, saturate roots to end, and leave on for 5 minutes and rinse. It's an in-shower clear gloss that instantly delivers brilliant shine, smoothness, and vibrancy for all hair types. So really, I'm just a sucker for the packaging.
Yeah,
I really liked
the holographic.
Oh, I guess I thought this reminded me of that Wow straightening spray because it's the silver.
Holographic.
Yeah, but I guess people I've read reviews, they're not very impressed by this.
Really?
Some people say it's not very good.
Another one of my items was the Drunk Elephant C Luma Hydra Bright Serum.
Oh, instead of the sweater.
1 fluid ounce. Yeah,
that was a disaster.
I like vitamin C, and then I have one more item, and then we can do the bowls. So I don't have the ring with me right now, but I have the dust bag. So it was an Olive and Piper ring, and it came really nicely in a box. I do not have the ring right now. It's at home, but it's absolutely stunning.
Let's post some pictures of it.
Sterling forever.
Forever.
So that'll be fun.
To choose something.
And then we each chose...
Oh, did we get the same color?
Oh my gosh, we did do the same color.
That's funny.
This is that.
So it's...
These are like a ceramic and enamel, right?
Golden Rabbit. Is it
prep bowls?
Probably you could put this in the fridge though.
No, yeah, you can apparently cook with these. Put these in the microwave. It was pack of 2.
So inside it looks like that.
And they have care instructions. It's dishwasher safe. They did a really nice job wrapping these. I'm pretty sure you can put these in the refrigerator, put them in the microwave, put them on the broiler even.
That's interesting.
So they were really useful. These would be really cute for your work.
Yeah.
And they stack.
Or just even in your, refrigerator, it's something kind of different, right? Instead of just a clear glass container, it's
Right.
a little fun for
More
spring.
elevated. Can't believe we both chose the same color.
I know. I guess I didn't want the dark blue.
But that was our spring 2026 Fabfitfun boxes. 6 items you get to choose for like $55.
I think it's a little more now.
I think they raised the price.
Yeah.
But it was super fun.